Welcome to Helpful Solution. In this video, we will discuss simple steps to troubleshoot if Epson printer not turning on. Let's dive in. The first step you have to follow, check the power cable and power outlet. Ensure the power cable is securely plugged into both the printer and the power outlet. Test the outlet with another device to make sure it's working. Number 2. Check the power button. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to see if the printer turns on. If the button feels stuck or unresponsive, gently clean it. Number 3. Reset the printer. Unplug the printer from the power source, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then plug it back in and try turning it on again. Number 4. Check the power supply. If your printer has an external power supply, try using a replacement to see if it resolves the issue. For internal power supply problems, professional repair may be needed. Number 5. Inspect for overheating. If the printer feels warm to the touch, let it cool down for 15 to 30 minutes. Ensure there is a good ventilation around the printer. Check for blown fuses. If you are comfortable, inspect the internal fuse for any visible damage such as burn marks. Replace the fuse if necessary. Number 7. Test with a different power cord. Use a compatible power cord to test if the original one is faulty. Number 8. Check for printer errors. Look for flashing lights or error message on the printer's display. Check the printer manual for any specific error codes. Number 9. Perform a factory reset. If your printer has a reset function, refer to the manual for instructions on performing a factory reset. Alternatively, contact Epson support for guidance. There you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.